Welcome to the Streaming Services Guide. Today, you'll learn how to watch movies, listen to music, and enjoy endless entertainment online. It's easier than you think. What exactly is streaming? Think of it like a radio, but for movies and music. Instead of buying or downloading, content plays instantly over the internet. Here's how streaming works. When you press play, the video or music is sent to your device in small pieces. You watch it as it arrives, no waiting for downloads. Let's look at popular video services. Netflix has thousands of movies and shows. YouTube is free with endless videos. Amazon Prime, Hulu, and Disney Plus are also great options. For music lovers, streaming is a game changer. Spotify and Apple Music give you access to millions of songs. Just search for any artist and start listening instantly. Here's the difference between free and paid services. Free options like YouTube have ads. Paid services like Netflix cost money, but have no interruptions. Understanding subscriptions is simple. You pay a monthly fee, usually between $10 and $20. Cancel anytime with no penalties or hidden fees. Let's talk about typical costs. Netflix runs about $15 monthly. Spotify is around $10. Many services offer family plans to save money. What do you need to start streaming? Just a device like a phone, tablet, or computer, plus an internet connection. That's really all it takes. You can watch on almost any device. Smart TVs, laptops, tablets, and phones all work great. Many people use devices like Roku or Amazon Fire Stick on older TVs. You're ready to start streaming. This course will walk you through setting up Netflix, YouTube, and more. Let's dive in and get you watching.